Good afternoon, traders, and welcome to this week's Forex Focus, a show where we look ahead at the opportunities that could be setting up in the FX markets. I hope you've all had a fantastic week in the markets and you're looking forward to and ready and raring to go for the week ahead. And in this week's show, we've got an amazing opportunity that we're looking at. It's one in the Aussie Kiwi, and it's at a level that's played a pivotal role in the very, very recent past. And we kind of feel that it's at a level that if it can break beyond that level, it's going to open up the doors for a very nice, straightforward opportunity with very little resistance to its eventual profit target. So without further ado, let's jump over to the charts and take a look at the opportunity in the Aussie Kiwi. So this is the opportunity that we're looking at for next week, or one of our favorite opportunities for next week is this one here of the Aussie Kiwi. And as you can see, we've got three levels in here. And what we're looking at is, first of all, the fact that the market has rejected this high over here at the 1.0763 level. You can see that it's come up to this level once, rejected it, come up to it twice, rejected it. Third time rejected it, and a fourth time just last week it came up there again and it rejected it. But before we talk about the context of this overall market that we're in right here, let's just kind of go back and take a look at this middle level, which is the one that we want to sell for, and see how the market's reacted to that level in the past. So you can see that every time the market has come down to this level, it's paid it some attention in one way or another. You know, it comes down to it, it breaks through it, or it comes down to it, it kind of bounces off of it, bounces off it, bounces off of it again. So it is a big level for the markets, and that's what we want to do as traders. We want to be trading levels that the markets are paying attention to. So coming forward to present day, how do we want to play this? Because the market has already kind of gone through it a number of times. So one would say, well, if it's gone through it a number of times, surely that means that, you know, it's no longer in the market's sights. It's no longer an important level. And whilst I do agree to a point, so for me, these levels up here, these highs over here, are way, way more important. And what happened last week, I would have preferred for the market to have got to this level and broken through this level and then broken back down. But it didn't do that. And as you can see here, you've got a sort of shooting star formation over here. And it does show that there is clearly some selling pressure in this pair right now. But the reason that I like the middle level is because of the way that it's reacting on the chart that I want to enter on, which is this one over here on the 1 hour chart. So yes, in the recent past, the market has gone through that level. It's started to respect this new high over here. But then over the past week, this is the area that the market has failed to get beyond, and it's created a nice little ledge for us. So what I'm looking at is I'm looking for the market to come down to this area over here in the early hours of this morning or whenever this week. Sort of play with this level a little bit and then break beneath that level. Once it's broken beneath that level, I'll then be looking for a close beyond that level, and then I'll look to take the trade to the short side. So I'll be selling and taking the market down here to rewards of sort of like the 1.049 area. So around that area here. If the market were to break back up and get up to this high over here, I would entertain taking a liquidity fade type trade. So that's the market going through the level, failing to hold above the level, and then closing back beneath the level over there. I would entertain that sort of a trade if the market were to get up over here, then sell back below. Whilst the market is in this level over here, it hasn't gone beneath this level and it hasn't gone above that level, then that's kind of my no man's land. So I'm not looking to take a trade anywhere within this vicinity over here. So if the market and if the price stays within 1.0763 and it stays above 1.0634, okay, so around 130 pip type range there. Whilst it's in this range, I'm not really looking to trade it. I want to see the market react to one of these levels. And my preferred price action, when you look at the context of the daily chart and things like that, is to take a sell from this level here once it's broken the 1.0633 area. Okay? So that's the opportunity in the Aussie Kiwi. As I said, this is a very, very nice one that we're looking at there. It's got all of the different bits that we're looking for. I can't think of the word. I can't speak English today. But it's got all of the different elements. Elements is the word I was looking for. Elements that we look for in a trade. You know, we're reacting to big levels. The price action looks good. We've got clearly defined levels of where we want to get into the market, where our profit targets are, and where we want to get out of the market. And ultimately, that's the best that you can do as a trader. We'll get into that trade and it either will or it won't make us money. There's nothing that we can really do to sort of drive that. The best that we can do is take the high probability setups again and again and again, and eventually you'll come out and you will have made money. You know, the important point is not to let your emotions get involved and not to start to make stupid decisions when trades go against you. You just have to accept that that's really the way that the game is played. Okay, but thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel to make sure that you get updates straight through to your inbox or to your YouTube channel every time you go onto YouTube, so that you don't miss an episode. We're going to be posting loads and loads and more videos, not just Forex focus videos like this, but other types of analysis videos, tutorials, everything in a bid to really help you move on as a trader and help you get to the level that you want to be. So please, keep paying attention to the channel here. Give us a thumbs up, post a comment, share the video, all of that kind of good stuff, just to help us grow this channel here. We really, really would appreciate it. But that's it from me for this week. Thank you very much for watching. If you've got any questions, please post a comment. Otherwise, take care now and good trading.